This is the Sufkodu, a 3-pack, small, medium, large titanium cutting boards. The brand did send this to me to test out and try and do a review, and I'm so glad they did. I'm so excited about these cutting boards. They are titanium. They are bacteria resistant. They won't dull knives. The cleanup is a breeze. You just use some warm soapy water and then rinse it off and then dry. You can even throw these in the dishwasher. Like, how cool is that? They are titanium and they are heavy, but that's also nice because they're so thin. These will not be taking up as much space in my cupboard like the other cutting boards that I have. The 3-pack of the titanium cutting boards will be replacing almost all of my prior cutting boards that I have because, again, this is bacteria resistant, it's easy cleanup, it's good heavy duty, and it's so thin. These are going to be such space-saving items in my kitchen. It is normal to have some knife streaks on here, and it's to be expected. It is a cutting board. The 3-pack is a fantastic addition to my kitchen.